Introducing a lazy flower pot I just designed. The main function of this lazy flower pot, through an inverted Coke bottle, provide a constant level. The water then penetrates into the soil. Provide necessary water to plants. It can simulate an environment where plants live in nature. To prevent plant root rot, now let me introduce the various parts of this flower pot. First of all, there is a permeable pad in this lazy flower pot. It allows water to penetrate upwards. Prevent soil from falling down. This is a breathable basin. It is connected to the base by threads. There are many small holes on the breathable basin. It keeps the soil breathable. Good for plant growth. This is its thread. Matching thread of base. Height adjustable from horizontal surface. Here are some vents. They combined the air holes on the breathable basin. Allows plant roots to breathe and prevents root rot. This is a PET bottle, connected to the bottom by thread. This is an insect shield. It prevents mosquitoes from entering. Now let us plant a flower in the yard. Adding horticultural perlite to the soil. Add nutrient soil. Removing small stones. Add insecticide. I made a cialoprid. Add controlled gun release compound fertilizer or coat. Mix well. Put the mixed soil into the breathable basin. Add plants. Filling soil. Rotate the breathable pot into the flower pot base. Only needs watering once at planting time. Screw in a Coke bottle filled with water. It is done. Let us see the effect. Usually, you just need to observe the water in the Coke bottle and replenish it in time. My lazy flower pot is always being improved, so please stay tuned to get the latest model.